In the next stages, the Arduino won't be enough anymore. So we'll be moving to one of these. Also, in the next stages, we'll add an HCSR04 so the robot can start sensing its surroundings. We may also add a motion sensor later on, and in much more advanced versions, we'll be using this camera too. I'm also thinking about mounting this laser inside the robot in a later stage, so we can clearly visualize the exact point it's targeting at any given moment. And of course, we'll also be adding these RGB LEDs, partly to make it look cooler, but also to give us quick visual feedback about the robot's current state and what it's doing. These two cells could be a lot stronger than the lipo packs we were using before. That was actually one of the main reasons our first test struggled. Another issue was that the signal board isn't an original one, so it couldn't deliver enough power reliably. That's why I made these two power distribution boards. The control signals will still come from the signal board, but servo power will be delivered separately through this board, and the rest of the components will get their power from here as well. The other important issue is that this U-back isn't an original one, and it just can't provide enough current on its own. So right at the input, we are going to connect two U-backs in parallel. I'm going with this one because it's more compact and still powerful enough for the job.